Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video I will show you another sub option in sweep command. So in my last two videos I have explained two commands on sweep. Today I will explain another command on sweep. Go to surface modeling, sweep option you can see in Catia V5 surfacing, start shape, generative shape design. In my last video I have shown you how to use this conic two guide curves. In this video I will show you three guide curves. See, the difference between two guide curves, three guide curve is, see, for this command also you have to take two surfaces, curved surface, because it has to connect tangentially. You can't take straight surface, so slightly curvature. Exit workbench, extrude this curve 100. I go for mirror both sides. Now take another surface this side. Better we use mirror option, symmetry, select this surface and reference. Now as we have selected two guide curves, a guide curve and a tangency. Tangency means here you need to select surface. So the guide curve should lie on the surface. Last guide curve and tangency. So two guide curves requires two guide curves, two tangency surface. Whereas three guide curves requires guide curve 1, guide curve 2, last guide curve. Total 3 guide curves and 2 tangency surface. See, what I do is isoparametric curve. I select this surface. Then you can see curve lie on the surface. I directly use this symmetry option. Select this parametric curve, isoparametric curve, and take this reference. Go for OK. So in my last video, as in the same process I have selected. See, just I will show you two guide curves. Guide curve 1, surface, tangency means that surface, last guide curve and its surface. Then when you go to preview, see, as we got like this. So in this in my last video I changed this depth by using this parametric. See, 0.25 still reduced. As I have already told you that you can't give more than 1. So see, I selected law in two guides option. This I have already explained. I kept yes. So starting I need some depth of 0.1 and end should be 0.25. So see, this is the shape we got. So see, this shape we get by selecting S type. See, this is a S type. See, this curvature, if you select S type, this type of a shape you will get. So in this case, in the first option, you can change this gap. As we have seen, we can increase this gap and we can increase this height, but you can't change this shape. See, as we selected S type, this will be fixed, but in 3 guide curve, you can define this shape. See, if you want to reduce still steep at this point, I want to raise at this point, I want to drag forward at this point, that you can achieve by using 3 guide curves. Just the simple thing, the only difference is you have to take another curve. See, this as we have seen, I delete. So I'm again saying, for this 2 guide curve option, check my last video. Now for 3 guide curves extra, I take another curve. See, I want to change the shape. I select this plane as it is a middle between the two surfaces. Now like this, or the face like this. See, I take spline. I want the front shape of the surface should move in this shape. See, like this I want. Yes. Now see, very useful option. See, this gap and this what do you call length of this surface, that we can change afterwards also by seeing the shape. See, I keep like this. Now I apply that command. See, now go for sweep, 3 guide curves, guide curve 1 on the surface, guide curve 2 is this middle curve, last guide curve is on this surface, the parametric curve on this surface, on this surface, tangency. Now see, then go for OK. See the output, much useful than the previous command. See, this shape you can manage, you can customize this shape, nothing but simply changing this profile. I want some bend here, exit. See, now width, I want this more width, then simply you have to double click on the first sketch, just move aside. As we have used symmetry option, symmetrically it changes. See here, a good output which you can't generate with other options. You have to use multi options to get this type of output. With a single sweep option you can use height, increase or decrease, we just double click this extrude 175. I reduce first and I will check. See, extrude 125, I increase it. I reduce height to 80. Okay, let it be this. Still more steepness you can manage. Front like this. Then you can split this option. You can split this surface by using split option. Go for split. Select this surface, cutting as this edge, other side. Nothing but I'm converting this into single surface. Other side, okay, that side. See, still more, I slightly increase the width. Extrude, I select this edge, right click, Z direction. Or I go for symmetry. $100. I increase the height. I go for join and just making a single surface. First I hide all these things. Tools, I hide all the sketches. Hide all lines. Tools, hide all sketches. Hide. Join. Surface 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 surfaces are there. See here. Go for fillet, edge fillet. $40 at this edge, so you will get a smooth curve. See. I close this top surface. I go for a line. 0.1, 0.2. I want to cover top surface, so this edge, I go to boundary. Tangent continuity, enough. Fill. Hide boundary. Hide line. Join. Two surfaces are there, single surface. Apply edge fillet. 40 mm is more. Just I give 20 mm. That's it. So like this you can go on adding or editing this surface. Right click properties, right click properties, just I am selecting the color so that it should looks good. So like this this type of outputs we can create by using the command sweep. So without sweep you have to use a more number of options to generate this type of outputs. Part design, finally thick surface. I use some 2 mm thickness inside, or 2 mm, 1 mm inside, 1 mm outside. That's it. Or 2 mm inside, 2 mm outside, total 4 mm thickness. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.